If you're having trouble with your keyboard when using it in Windows, follow these troubleshooting steps. First, let's check if the keyboard works outside of Windows. Restart your computer. At the Dell logo screen, repeatedly tap the F12 key. If you can access the one-time boot menu, that means your keyboard is working. Go to Diagnostics and press Enter to prompt a full system scan. To test a specific component, press the Escape key to pause the full scan. Click on the arrow button to go to the next page and select Keyboard from the list of components. If you receive an error code after the test, make a note of it and contact Dell support via social media. To test the keyboard in BIOS, restart your computer. At the Dell logo screen, repeatedly tap the F2 key to enter BIOS. Depending on your system, the following steps will differ. For systems manufactured after 2021, click on Passwords. In the field next to Enter the new password, type anything using your keyboard. If the device recognizes any keystrokes, they will appear as asterisk. When finished, click on Exit to quit BIOS. Make sure not to change the password. For systems manufactured before 2021, expand the Security section and select Admin Password. In the blank field next to Enter the new password, type anything using your keyboard. Check if the device recognizes any keystrokes. When finished, exit BIOS and restart the computer. If the keyboard did not work in BIOS, let's optimize your system with Support Assist. If you do not have the app downloaded on your computer, click the link shown to download it. Make sure to keep your computer connected to a power source throughout this process. Click on the Windows Start button to search for and open Support Assist. In the Home tab, click on Update Software. Press Start to prompt Support Assist to scan the system and download any required updates. When the scan is finished, click on View Updates and then Install. Wait for Support Assist to download and install the pending updates. Follow the on-screen instructions and restart the computer when prompted. Next, let's check if the keyboard works inside Safe Mode. Click on the Windows Start button and go to Settings. In the System section, scroll down and select Recovery. Click on Restart Now next to Advanced Startup and confirm the restart. When the system reboots, you will be presented with a blue screen with options. Select Troubleshoot and click on Advanced Options. Choose Startup Settings and click on Restart. When the computer restarts, press 4 or F4 on your keyboard to access Safe Mode. Once in Safe Mode, test your keyboard to see how it performs. If it is functioning properly, continue with the next step. To update BIOS, open a web browser and go to dell.com/support. Identify your system automatically or by typing in the service tag. Select Drivers and Downloads, and then click Select Drivers. Choose your operating system if it isn't already selected and set the category as BIOS. Click on BIOS and check the box next to the BIOS driver. Click on Selected for Download to open the driver details page. Scroll down and click Download. When the download finishes, go to your Downloads folder in File Explorer and open the BIOS update file. Accept any confirmation prompts and click on Update. Follow the instructions to update BIOS. A system restart is required to complete the installation. When the process is finished, the system will boot into Windows. If you are still having keyboard issues, contact us via social media so we can assist you. Make sure to subscribe and check out the other videos on our channel for more troubleshooting content.